To grow a beard faster, focus on living a healthy lifestyle and taking care of your skin and beard hair. Eat a healthy, balanced diet that includes lots of lean protein to promote hair growth. You should also eat plenty of foods that are rich in iron, like tofu, lentils, and spinach. Omega-3 fatty acids are also good for hair growth, which you can get from fish, nuts, and plant oils. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every night and work out every other day to help regulate your hormones, since your hormone levels can affect your hair growth. Make sure you wash your face twice a day and exfoliate once a week to keep your hair follicles open. Apply beard oil to your beard hairs daily to keep them hydrated and healthy as your beard grows in. Growing out a beard can take time, but if you take care of your body, skin, and hair, you'll have a beard before you know it.